and welcome back to Refurb with Herb, episode 4, part 2. So what we're going to be going over today is some wet brushing techniques to smooth out some of these rough edges, so we can get it ready for gluing. So what you're going to need is a foam brush and some extra water. So what you're gonna do is take your okay, no problem. We can just grab some paper towels and then oh gosh, oh my goodness, damn it. So as you can see, we've really made a mess of this board. So what you'll want to do is shake it off, pull it out of the water, and then take it over to your oven, and you're gonna want to preheat it to 425 degrees. Oven's nice and hot, so what we'll do is we'll set it up here on the top rack. Already I preheated it, and hopefully we got it. Oh jeez, oh gosh, oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez. Well, it looks like so as you can see, that didn't go very well. As you can see, that did not go according to plan. Looks like we've got some charring on the box and a hole that goes that goes all the way through the box. So unfortunately, I think I will be unable to refurb this box, and that means there's only one thing we can do. Box funeral.